The popular cooking show Please Take Care of My Refrigerator is back. According to Nielsen Korea, the December 15th broadcast of Please Take Care of My Refrigerator since 2014 on JTBC recorded a nationwide pay TV viewership rating of 225%. This figure is particularly remarkable, considering the show's ratings were in the 1 to 2% range during its final episodes before ending in 2019. Hosted by Ahn Young-won and Kim Sung-ju, Please Take Care of My Refrigerator brings a guest's refrigerator to the studio, where renowned chefs compete to create dishes within 15 minutes using its ingredients. After a 5-year hiatus, the show has made a triumphant return. The revived program features original chefs Lee Yeon-bok, Choi Yun-sok, Kim Pong, and Yoon Ho-young, along with challenger chefs Edward Lee, Choi Kong-rak, Lee Mi-young, and Park Eun-young.